Hello everyone, Big Money here with the monthly update on the Forex Trading Bot Challenge in the Big Money Reloaded series. As you may already know, on the first day of 2025, I invested $5,000 in a Forex trading account and I unleashed some algorithmic trading bots to earn passive income. This is the performance update for the month of June, which needless to say was profitable, and I almost hit my 10k challenge target. I missed it just by a hairline, but let's see more in details how things were progressing. I started the month with a balance of $9,276, and on the 13th of June, it is $9,914. It means that the net profit is 6.87%. This is below the average rate I usually get, but hey, let's be honest, considering the drawdown which did not exceed 3% this month, this is a pretty amazing result. This means, of course, that my highly ambitious goal to hit 10k by the end of the month was missed, but as a matter of fact, it is probably a question of days until it does. So let's take a look at my FX Book's evolution graphs. It is still beautiful, still makes me question myself if all this is real. The individual bot performance in June was nothing special. The Sharpshooter and the Vigorous were the two best performing contestants, the latter taking the first place, contributing with more than $300 to the final number under the black line. Drawdowns were yet again insignificant. The Ranger produced a medium-sized basket on the GBP Cat pair just before the end of the month but got closed out a few days after. Obviously, no additional deposit is needed here. I mean, I am really at the last mile. Alright guys, this was a short summary for the month of June. I am super excited about the progress. I mean, it is possible that by the time I finish this video, I will be actually reaching my target. I will make a video of the season finale episode where I will analyze the performance of the entire challenge, summarize my takeaways and overall experience. Also, I might have some new ideas up my sleeve that I will reveal later on. Soon enough, you will see the last video of the series. Until then, take care, big money out.